Hi everyone, welcome to Rusa Analytics. In this video, we are going to take a quick look at Databricks. In this video, we are going to take a quick look at Databricks, a modern cloud-based platform widely used for data engineering, analytics, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. So, what exactly is Databricks? Databricks is a unified data and AI platform that helps organizations collect, process, transform, analyze, and manage large amount of data. One of one of the main technologies behind Databricks is Apache Spark. Apache Spark is a distributed data processing engine. It allows us to process large data sets efficiently by distributing the workload across multiple computing resources. Now, let's understand why companies use Databricks. In a traditional data environment, different teams may use different tools for data engineering, analytics, and machine learning. Databricks brings many of these activities together in a single collaborative platform. Data engineers can build data pipelines, analysts can query and analyze data, and data scientists can work on machine learning and AI solutions. Now, let's take a look at the Databricks Workspace. The workspace provides access to important components such as notebooks, compute resource, workflows, data catalog, and data dashboard. One of the most commonly used component is the notebook. Databricks notebooks allows us to write and execute SQL, Python, Scala, and R code. For example, we can load a dataset, explore the data, clean it, perform transformation, and create useful tables for analysis. And another important technology in Databricks is Delta Lake. Delta Lake provides reliability and consistency on top of a cloud data storage. It supports features such as ACID transition, schema enforcement, and time travel. This makes it easier to build reliable and maintainable data pipelines. Databricks also follows the Lakehouse architecture. The Lakehouse architecture combines the flexibility of data lake with many of the capabilities we expect from a data warehouse. Now, let's look at a common data engineering approach called the Medallion architecture. It usually consists of three layers: bronze, silver, and gold. The bronze layer stores raw data, the silver layer contains cleaned and transformed data, and the gold layer contains business ready data that can be used for reporting and analytics. For example, imagine a company receiving sales data every day. The raw sales files can first be ingested into the bronze layer. Then the data can be cleaned, validated, and transformed in the silver layer. Finally, important business metrics such as total sales profit and customer performance can be prepared in the gold layer. These gold tables can then be connected to business intelligence and reporting tools. So the overall workflow can be understood as ingest the data, transform the data, validate the data, and finally analyze the data. This is where Databricks become very useful for modern data engineering. To summarize, Databricks provides a unified environment for data engineering, analytics, machine learning, and AI. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to Rusa Analytics and stay updated for more content on data analytics, data engineering, generative AI, and modern data technologies. See you in the next video.